Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I give you a very exciting video. I'm going to be showing you the literal best lash subscription that money can buy in 2021. Okay, baby? I'm going to give you the details. I'm going to show you who is wearing these lashes other than me, okay? And I'm going to do a try on for you guys, as well as giving you all the details on the best lash subscription you could literally have ever. Like, seriously. Like ever. Now I do want to mention here at the very beginning of the video that this is sponsored by Noella Lashes, but this is not a biased review, okay? Just because it's sponsored doesn't mean that I don't think that these are the best lashes ever. I've been wearing these lashes non-stop since October of 2020, okay? These are like literally the only lashes I wear. They're so comfortable, so long lasting. You get 15 plus wears and they're only $12, okay? $12. They're luxe, okay? Luxury, but affordable, okay? And plus $12 for one pair of lashes that you can wear 15 plus times. Excuse me, take my money, honey. Thank you. But wait, there's more. Of course there's more. It's me. Of course there's more. Not only are these lashes $12, but you can use my code Connor and save 20% off your purchase, okay? It's an affiliate code, but hey, you get 20% off of $12 lashes. Again, take my money. Luxe but affordable. We love. Hello. So not only can you buy these lashes individually depending on what you want, Noella Lashes now has a subscription service, which is mind-blowing amazing. And I have the baby right here, okay? So let me just read you some information really quick about the lash subscription, and then I'm going to show you what amazing beauties are wearing these lashes other than myself. Okay, so this lash bag has huge savings, my friends, okay? Say it with me, huge savings. This is $20. You get 3 pairs of lashes, okay? Huge savings. Now my code doesn't work for the lash subscription, but that's okay because you're still getting huge savings, okay? Now you do have to pay for shipping, which is not a lot, which is pretty much with any subscription that you have, usually you have to pay shipping. It's totally fine because again, huge savings, and you get 3 pairs of lashes. So it's basically like buy 2 get 1 free. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? So you can choose from a curated trio, or you can choose a mystery bundle, and everyone loves a good mystery, okay? At least we do on this channel because you know we're all about the mystery boxes, okay? Mystery lash bag. Or if that's not your jam, if you don't want a curated trio, you don't want a mystery, you can actually request 3 certain pairs of lashes of your choice to the message portion to the seller if you want to kind of create your own bundle, which is amazing. So yeah. Also, side note, I do want to recommend that you guys go follow Noella Lashes on Instagram. I will have it linked below. She does lots of giveaways, and I want you guys to be able to join in on the giveaway fun. She does them all the time, so definitely go follow her on Instagram, linked below. And go check out Noella Lashes down below as well. Get you a subscription, buy some lashes, use code Connor for 20% off at checkout, and check out all of the lash styles. They currently have 6 lash styles, but she's about to release 3 more, and let me just say I've seen a spoiler for 1 and it's so freaking good, okay? I'm just saying. So now I want to feature some creators who currently love Noella Lashes. So the first one we here have is Butte Bean on Instagram, this gorgeous lovely flower of a lady, and I think she's so gorgeous. Look at her in these lashes, like come on, this look fierce, okay? And the lashes look so good. This could be you. Go purchase some lashes, guys. Then we have Sherry _Ree, I think I'm saying that right, R-I-I. Look at these lashes, okay? Look at this eyeshadow look and like just the jewels. Oh my god. Love it, love it, love it. Then we have Porcelain. You guys already know she's a YouTuber. We love her. This is her with the lashes in the style Heather, which is an original lash, and these are so beautiful, so perfect, so everyday, and I love them. And of course she looks beautiful in this photo. And then we have Jasmine here in the Fallon lash. Oh my god, she is so stunning. I love her. Okay, Okay, okay. Love her, love her, love her. Then we have the Miss Allie Dawson. If you guys don't know who Allie Dawson is, are you living under a rock? This is such a gorgeous photo, and I love the lashes. They go so well with this look. It's so cute. And then we have by Sarah, and she's using the style Fiona, which is another one of my favorite. It's like the most fiercest. I wanted to say the B-I-T-C-H word, but I don't want to say it because I don't want to cuss. The fiercest chick around, okay? That's what Fiona is. And then we have Pompberry, and this is like phenomenal, and she's using the lashes Blair, which are my personal favorites. Plus I'm a Blair Waldorf, so it's like, you know, it goes hand in hand. But these are gorgeous. We love, love, love. And then we have the lovely Abadabs, who talks about Noella lashes all the time on her channel. Also Paige, if you guys don't know her, you are living under a rock as well. You're living under a rock if you don't know Abadabs. Like, come on. So they love the lashes too. And you guys can be like us. We can be twins, okay? Noella Lashes. NoellaLashes.com. Let's go, people. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Let's go. So now that I have told you all the information that I need to tell you, show you all of the beautiful women who have been loving the lashes, let's get on to the try on portion and show you what I got in my mystery bundle of lashes and try one on. If you guys want to see me try on all three of these styles, then definitely be following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be doing a reel this week showcasing these lovely lashes and applying them, and you can see what they look like on moi. But yeah, let's go ahead and zoom you in and put some lashes on, baby. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have Mia, I have Blair, and I have Mila. So I'm gonna play with Blair today because they're my personal favorites. So let me go ahead and show you what they look like. Super gorgeous. We love, love, love. I need lash glue. Where's my lash glue? So I'm using the Duo lash glue. First things first, I'm going to figure out where I want these lashes, and I'm going to trim them down. So there's already like a good stickiness to them for them like sticking in the packaging. So it's pretty easy to just stick them on your eye and figure out how much you need to trim off. So now I'm going to trim some of these off. So I have my handy dandy kitchen scissors, so I'm just going to trim off the end. Yep. Okay, so now I'm going to glue them, which this is so easy, okay, you guys? So all I do is I rub a little glue on there. So now that we have the glue on the lash band, I like to just rub it with my finger so it has a nice layer, but it's not too thick. And then I wait 30 seconds and I just do that little number before I apply. Let me go ahead and zoom you in. Let's zoom you in for the fun stuff. Okay, so now that we've waited for this to get nice and tacky, we're gonna go ahead and just apply the lash. Don't mind the glue, we're gonna fix that, okay? Don't judge. So just leave it, don't touch it, let it dry before you decide to like mess around with it. So let me do this other one, and yeah. Do a little bendy bend, make sure it's conforming to my eye perfectly. And then let's apply. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, if you have any glue mess like I do, like you can see that, not cute, just take some liquid liner or your eyeliner or whatever and then run that over the lash, and then it covers it right up. Like new, baby. And now we blend our false lashes with our real ones. So I'm taking the Kosas mascara and I'm just going to blend them together. Now to really bring everything together, I'm just going to do some mascara on my lower lashes. And here's the final look. Do we love? We love, we love, we love, 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 love. So again, if you guys want to see all the styles in action, be following me on Instagram, because I'm going to be doing a reel showing you guys all the styles on my beautiful eyeballs. And yeah, thank you so much to Noella Lashes for sending me these lashes to show everyone. And thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much. You're literally my favorite lash brand ever, and you guys should definitely go check them out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below on this lash style here, Blair, and which style is your favorite. To go check out the website and let me know down below. Go follow on Instagram, Noella Lashes, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Go subscribe to the subscription, buy some lashes, use code Connor for 20% off, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!